Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. A week after the simple but touching funeral of Pope Benedict XVI, his memory remains ever alive among millions of the faithful, while many seek to deepen what legacy he leaves to the Universal Church. With a Salesian gaze, we delve today through two of his speeches on the subject into some of his considerations in the field of education. Pope Benedict XVI was a great defender of the cause of education. Throughout his life, he exercised the magisterium teaching theology. As pontiff, he addressed educators and educational institutions countless times. He also spoke to students and the world of science. Ratzinger always sought inspiration from St. Augustine, whose message revolves around the idea of believing in order to understand and understanding in order to believe. For this reason, the urgency of formation in truth and love often appeared in his pontificate, denouncing the neglect with which the contemporary world approaches the formation of young people. The Salesian Volunteer Missionary Movement, SWM, Modzi Wiatu of the Polan-Kakro Province, PLS, joined the organization of the Three Kings procession for the 7th time this year. It went through the streets of the city for the 13th time. Like every January 6th, the Three Kings traditionally started from 3 different points in the city to meet at noon on the main square and bow together to the newborn baby Jesus. The motto of this year's procession was, "Let us be guided by the star." Once again, a fundraiser for a housing project for the homeless was also held during the Krakow procession. Volunteers and Salesians took care of the preparation and animation of the procession. 100 young people participated in the School for Animators, Conmo Vernos Compro Meternos, Move Us and Commit Us, held from the 2nd of January till the 8th at Villa Don Bosco in Tandil. Developed by the Salesian Youth Movement of the Buenos Aires region of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, FMA, and the Salesians of Don Bosco, SDB, the initiative brought together boys and girls between the ages of 17 and 23 from all the houses of the region, which includes the territory of the city and province of Buenos Aires, accompanied by 40 animators who have already lived this experience. During this time, they reflected on youth realities and how to analyze them, youth political action, the context of Jesus, the preferential option for the poor, and the kingdom of God and the social doctrine of the church. There was also time to share moments of prayer, recreation, and entertainment. Father Dario Pereira, superior of the Salesian province of southern Argentina, ARS, was present for several days in accompanying and reflecting together with the boys and girls. The Conmo Vernos Compro Meternos School is an initiative that has been implemented since 2014 and consists of 2 intensive training cycles that take place over 2 years. What has just been implemented is the first cycle, and the second will be implemented in January 2024. The Catholic University Don Bosco UCDB of Campo Grande was one of the winning institutions in the first edition of the Citizenship Award sponsored by the state government through the Secretariat of State for Citizenship and Culture. The award ceremony was held on December 15th at the Governor's Auditorium in Campo Grande. Its aim, acknowledging the work benefiting the population done by institutions during the pandemic. The university was distinguished for hosting a drive-through vaccination center and a testing center, for lending high-level equipment to the government, and for implementing various initiatives through its various degree programs. So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.